In the sprawling digital megalopolis, where every second of uptime is the lifeblood of global commerce, one role stands as the silent architect of stability. They aren't just fixing machines, they are the guardians of the system's heart. This is the world of the systems administrator. A systems administrator operates within the networking and infrastructure domain. Their primary mission is to ensure that the complex IT systems powering an organization run smoothly, securely, and stay optimized to meet every shifting business need. Mastery in the digital age is measured in stages. Basic IT roles typically call for 0 to 2 years of experience. This role, the systems administrator, is an intermediate tier, generally requiring 2 to 5 years of field-tested skill before eventually advancing to senior leadership roles after 5 or more years. You cannot build a fortress on sand. Most sysadmins begin their journey in the trenches of IT support or help desk. You must first master hardware troubleshooting, software basics, and the laws of networking before being trusted with the keys to the entire infrastructure. Your tools are the languages of the machine. You must be fluent in Windows Server and Linux. To manage environments at scale, you'll use PowerShell for automation and Active Directory to govern identity and permissions across your digital walls. Expertise is proven through the path of certification. The gold standard includes the Microsoft Azure Administrator, AZ-104 for Cloud Ops, the Cisco CCNA for enterprise-grade networking, and CompTIA Security Plus to ensure your defenses remain impenetrable. Technical power is nothing without the right mindset. You must possess the analytical skill to solve messy problems under pressure and the ability to communicate clearly with both technical teams and non-engineers. Documentation is your legacy, ensuring the system stays stable for those who follow. Your daily mission is one of constant vigilance. You maintain uptime, manage user permissions, and perform the essential upgrades that keep the organization's digital heart beating. You are the one who monitors the pulse of the network to ensure data integrity. The role of the systems administrator is the invisible backbone of our digital world. It is a path of constant learning and critical responsibility. Are you ready to level up? Subscribe for more tech career roadmaps.